Okay, we gotta get the iPad out because that's where the information is. I'm old now, I can't remember things. Hey, hi. My name is Nadernejad, and in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down how I built 8 streams of income by age 24. You know, I had multiple streams of income before now, but today I'm going to share everything with you, and not just the streams of income that I have, but also how I got there. So I'm an online reputation management specialist. I help people fix their online reputations. It's the specialty niche thing that I do. It's what supplies most of my income, and it is income stream number 1. Let's get into it. So in online reputation management, I'm working with myself and a few other people. I've decided to keep my business small. Right now I'm speaking to you from Istanbul. I do a lot of traveling, I enjoy working remotely, and so it helps not to have too many corporate facing clients on huge retainers and to work with some individuals that I really resonate with and enjoy. So in online reputation management, I make between $6,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on how good the month is, how many new clients we sign, and how many clients we have on retainer. Generally, that's bringing in about 80,000 to 100,000 US a year, which is very recent. I'd say about 2 years ago, I was making half of that, and 2 years before that, I was making half of that, and about a year before that, I was making only $10,000 a year. So it's been growing quickly, and now that I'm here, I have the option to, you know, bridge out into bigger things and to scale. I'm just on the brink of doing that, but right now, I love where I am. Second thing is Udemy. When I was in school, when I was in university, I realized, hey, I have an income problem. I gotta pay for school, gotta pay for rent, things are a little difficult. So I started making courses on the platform called Udemy, online teaching platform. You can make courses for people all around the world. People buy organically. You don't have to do any marketing. You have some marketing tools available to you on the platform, but very, very easy. You know, I made like 27 courses, 28 courses. So every month, Udemy pays me around $750 US. It used to be less. Sorry, it used to be more. It used to be a lot more, but now it's less because I'm not really active on the platform. So this brings around 9,000 US a year. Number 3, Skillshare. I took all of my best courses on Udemy, the ones that perform best, broke them down into smaller courses, and put them on the Skillshare platform. Similar to Udemy, organic, don't have to do any marketing, you get royalty payments every month. So I make around 7,200 per month. These 2 passive streams of income really help because it secures me a baseline of like $15,000 to $20,000 a year, which is fantastic. It means that no matter what I do, even if I stop working, if my expenses are relatively low, I can survive, I can eat, or I can maintain my savings. So that's pretty cool. And I'm young, I'm working, I'm still doing things. So Udemy and Skillshare bringing around $7,200 per year. Now YouTube, of course, I have this YouTube channel. Now I make about $100 a month on YouTube US, so around 120 Canadian, give or take. So YouTube is bringing around $1,200 a year, which is nice. It will like cover a phone bill and get some groceries. It's pretty good. So YouTube, I've made over 600 videos. So if you look at $100 a month for making 600 videos and being on the platform for 5 years, it's really not so great, but it's still good. I'm not complaining. It's another stream of income. YouTube, by watching this video, you're also helping me. Kindle books, I've written 2 books. How to start your freelance writing career and how to start your marketing agency. The marketing agency one performs a little better, but these being very niche topics and just okay books in those, you know, niches, I'm making about $20 per month US on Kindle, which is bringing around $240 per year. Mutual funds. I'm not much of a stockbroker. I don't invest in crypto. I'm going to, I promise, but I've just been so focused on the business side of things and the exploration of into over like 20 countries in the past couple of years, minus COVID. So I haven't really looked into investing, and I have made about $3,000 per year on mutual funds, and that's just with my bank at Scotiabank. Nothing exciting there. Sponsorships. So I've done sponsorships, believe it or not, even though I'm not much of an influencer. I've done sponsorships with Circle K, TD Canada, and the Toronto Star, among, you know, some others. Even Canadian Tire, you'll find a video on this channel. Canadian Tire reached out, we did a sponsorship. So I make around $2,000 to $3,000 per year from sponsorships, give or take. And then finally, stream number 8 is affiliate links. So I have affiliate links on this channel. If you click down below, you will see Skillshare affiliate links and probably various other ones. And I bring in about $100 a month for affiliate links. Anyone who signs up for Skillshare for free, I'll get $10 from that. So I'm making around $1,200 per year just from affiliate links. Sometimes it's a little bit less than that. Like I can make $1,098 per year, $1,050, $900 a year, but it's still pretty good. It's bringing in some revenue. So those are my 8 streams of income for the time being. I occasionally will do a coaching call, but I don't really have them set up. So if anything, it might bring in a few $100s a year. I've just done it for fun. So conservatively, if I have a bad year, I might make in the low $100,000 range. And if I'm having a better year, I might do 20 or 30% better than that, $130,000 a year. So I'm 24 years old. This is where I've decided to keep my income at for the time being, which is kind of strange. I used to be really like all fire, like wanting to go, like, let's make $2 billion. But now I'm really focused on the people I'm working with, taking a bit of a break right now, just servicing clients. Things are busy at the moment. We can change the structure of things, which I'm gonna do. But at the moment, I'm happy with where I am. And I'm learning, as I honestly feel like I've seen so much, I've tasted so much, I know how to get to the next level. So I want to enjoy my youth a little bit. There's a couple of things I really want to do. There's some things I really want to build, and I'm focusing on that now. And very, very soon we will go ahead and execute some really major things. Big ideas you don't share with anybody, and I have not shared them, but we will execute when it's time. I love what I'm doing right now. If you have any questions, do drop me a comment down below. I would really love to hear any of your questions. I love to help out with this stuff. Love to have conversations. Follow me on Instagram. I'm very active there in the DMs. And thank you for watching. My name is Nadernejad, and if this video helped you or gave you some ideas, let me know how I can help. Okay, take care.